Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I showed this last night on my channel for the Saturday Shenanigans show with Jen from Jen Run Scraps and Steffi from Thread and Glue. This was a birthday gift sent to me from Miss Marti. I'm going to show you everything that's in here, but I'm not going to pull anything out of its bag or packaging or whatever. She sent me a lovely card. Actually, it goes this way. It says, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. I'm not going to read what's inside the card. Okay, that's that. We got this stencil here. And then we got all of these lovely die cuts in here. I need to put it in a different bag. I need a different pouch for it, but I'll do it later. This one has butterflies, flowers, wreaths. It has tags. It has literally everything you can name under the sun almost. I'm going to let y'all see it. I know I said I wasn't pulling much out, but here's a butterfly. Here's a foiled butterfly. There's this one. There's this wreath. This tag. This foiled flower. This flower. This. These leaves. A little envelope that's a surprise. Another butterfly, but you can fold it and make it into a little book or a tiny little pocket. This wreath. We got this clipboard. We have this wreath. This one. Well, this flower. We got this flower. We got a flower in a vase. A seashell. We have a banner. A suitcase. More flowers. More flowers. A camera with the strap. A butterfly. More flowers. Foil flowers. Another wreath. What is this? A fish. More this is flowers with leaves and a banner. Foiled leaves. Here's some sentiments that are foiled. We have this flower. These. This one. It says, love you. More leaves. A girl taking a selfie. A girl in a hammock. Here's an envelope with flowers. With a bouquet, actually. Here's a wall hanging. Or a little wall hanging. A canoe. We have this here. I'm just going to show you guys. Okay. Here's a paintbrush. And here's this one. These are some really cute ephemera pieces. Okay, we got that. I gotta find another pouch to put these in because I didn't go stay long in there. And then we have this here, which is some quilt clips with some spools to put either ribbon or lace on. She also gave me these 3 circle punches. Okay. And then we got 49 in Market flowers. This is Prima. Prima. 49 in Market. Here's another stencil. Some Vicky Bouton stickers, which there are holographic stickers. Here's those. And then we have this Stamperia. More Vicky Bouton die cuts, but I'm not pulling them all out. Not that time. Now, we can do the paper flip. I love this one. This one I like too. These 2 are Prima. This is Prima. See all the little, y'all can't see that. There's the postage stamps. This is Vicky Bouton. I like this side. This one, you can do a lot with this one. Oops, wrong one. And this is some thick cardstock. Then we have this one and this one. This one has grid on it, like grid paper. This here you can use as either banners, you can use them for belly bands, or I'll be showing y'all what I use them for. Okay, that's all straight. I like this too. You can make some inchies, some twinchies with that. And then there's this one. This one. These little circles here. It has the days of the week on it. Then we have this one with all the pencils, flower, stripes and plain and tiny grid lines. Then we have this one and a color wheel. Then we have this floral one with this one. This one, the gingham with the butterfly on the top. Then we have some journaling cards on the front. We have this one that has little tickets at the bottom. Flip it over. Make sure it's this one. We have the wreath. And this is $49 in Market. This one, let me tell you. Vicky Booty. Okay. This one, $49 in Market. And there's some really thick cardstock, so I can do a lot with that. Now, we have some Prima chipboard. Okay. We have some more Vicky Booten for holographic stickers. Some more Prima flowers. Then we have a Hampton Art layered flower stamp. More Prima. I have to hold the on the side. $49 and more Vicky Booten. And this is all ephemera. Then we have these cute little floral journaling cards. And then we have a screen cleaner. Cool beans. I like that. This is going to stay right there on my desk. And then we have this journal cover, which is beautiful. Let me see if I can pull it out of the bag. I showed this on my channel last night, so. We got this piece of fabric. Okay. We have this piece. And then we have this journal cover, which is really, really pretty. You can see all the texture on the cover on the inside. And you have a lot of different textures on the outside, which is pretty neat. I like this. I think I'm going to make a single signature journal to go with that. Let's put this all back in here. And we can place it all back in the bigger bag. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please hit the bigger ass subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be kind, be safe, be blessed, be positive, be crafty, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now. Whoops, I literally covered my mouse.